And what's your name? All right. You guys think you can do this equal challenge really fast? Faster than the lightning warrior? Okay, let me show you how to do this. Chris says on a chance, but I'll show you how we do it, and then you can tell me if you think you can do it faster. You have to go in between these weak poles as fast as you can, without knocking any over, and without missing any. When you get all the way down to the end, you gotta come back and go back through them again, all the way down. So, now that you see what is called the weak pole challenge, do you still think you're faster than Lightning Warrior? Yeah. Okay. Chris? They think they have you beat. They have you beat. He's saying Lightning Warrior is really, really fast. I'll tell you what. We're going to time this, and then we'll know for sure. Okay? All right. If you go first, come over here. I'll give you a ready, set, go, and then you can go through the weak poles. We'll let you know your time. All the way down the back. Ready, set, go. Nice technique. Look at that. There's that speed. Good job, all the way back through. Excellent. 22 seconds, nice job. Lightning Warrior, 22 seconds. Okay, you ready? When you get ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Whoa, one stride in between the weak poles. And back through. Good job. 17 seconds. 17 seconds. Lightning Warrior, you are in some kind of trouble.
Wow.
22 seconds, 17 seconds.
Those guys are fast. I don't know if we can make that time.
Well, but you throw the challenge, so.
I know, but I just don't know. That's super bad. I don't want him to lose.
Does anybody have any ideas?
All right, let's try powering him up and see if that'll work.
Okay. Let's see what happens. We'll have to go to the weak poles, all the way down and back. Let's see if you can beat 17 seconds. Ready, set.
You know what? He missed a couple. I think I'm going to have to give the contest to these guys. He was faster, but you guys didn't make any mistakes. Let's hear it for our weak poles. Guys, let's get you some medals.